Okay, we got the guest room here. This looks like a twin bed. Plenty of room to move around. Plus a closet as well. Nice little seat there. Come through to the bathroom here with the mirror there. We have the shower here, which you can upgrade to the fiberglass instead of the plastic if you'd like. Come through here. We have the living room area. Nice TV setup, couch setup. On the ceiling, the vents are in the ceiling. This is what the kitchen looks like here. Nice cabinets. Nice countertops here. Cabinets. Flooring is a driftwood linoleum. I don't know if that would be pretty tight for microwave. You'd probably have to do it on the counter like they have. But these cabinets are actually pretty decent. They're not that bad. Unfortunately, inside they just do the no backing on it with the OSB on there. But yeah, I like the cabinets. They're kind of rustic looking. That's nice. With the trim around the ceiling, the crown molding, which is nice. Let's keep on going. They put a little bar stool, fridge. And if you don't get the dishwasher, then there's just cabinets here. They just put some extra cabinets. Keep going back. We have the laundry room area. Big enough for a washer and dryer. You could put some racks up here if you wanted to. Here's the master. I believe this is a queen size bed. No, that's definitely a queen size bed. And then here she's got the closet here for all of her clothes. Then she's got a TV on there. Go back over here. I like it because it's got the stand-up shower here. Little vanity area, cabinets to match throughout. Then you got your toilet. Pretty decent amount of room. Pretty good size room here. Alrighty. Go back on out. From the back door here. That's locked. We'll just go through the house real quick. Again, that way you can see from this side. Boom. Down again. I really like the cabinets. They're nice. Decent cabinets. Then you go through here. I'm doing a fast look. That way they can get back into the house. Alrighty. Perfect.